This is a series called Keep It or Return It. Today we're going to review KitchenAid's Diamond Blender 5-speed, which has a 60-ounce pitcher. This KitchenAid represents an upgrade for us. Previously we had a 10-speed Austerizer, which was his blender, and he has had it for 8 years. It was a pretty reliable blender, but at this point it's started to rust and it has some wear and tear to it, and it's ready to be retired. The new KitchenAid is a definite upgrade to what we currently have. It has this cool red color, it has a very simple design to it, and a much larger pitcher than what we were using. This blender has a 5-year limited warranty, which was a definite selling point, and I hope that the customer service comes through. And it also has 5 speeds: stir, chop, mix, puree, liquefy, as well as the crush ice and pulse functions. This blender has truly never been used before, and we're going to cut off the tag. You need to lock in the pitcher, and now I'm going to hand it over to him to test it out.
Alright, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite smoothie called Berry Affairs. These are the ingredients. Use half of apples, and also use 7 to 8 strawberries, fresh raspberries, and blackberries. And also I like to mix with the frozen berries. Once you mix with the fresh berries and the frozen berries, you don't have to put ice. So I'm going to put the ingredients right now. Last thing, we're gonna use half of bananas in there and the orange juice. If you put the frozen fruits first, my old blender just cannot do the job properly. Maybe I should try to put all my frozen berries in it. Put some of the fresh ones. Boom, boom. And apples. Cut in half. And then you gotta do it's almost half of what you put it in. So this is good. The honey depends on your preference, but I like to put a lot of honey. Maybe 1 big teaspoon honey, because berries give you the sour taste, but honey also gives you that sweet taste. It's a perfect combination. First, we can hit this start button. Then let's hit the. Oh yeah. That's way better than what we had. I'm very happy so far.
This KitchenAid blender was very smooth, and it is a clear upgrade from the old blender that we had. So the answer today is we're going to keep this blender.
Keep it! That's all we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!